Shalom, first and foremost. I'd like to give all praises, glory, and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Kakadash. Double honors to the elders for preaching His word truthfully and sincerely. And Shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And I say Shalom to you Akim out there. And this is a news article from MSN.com. This was published by David 7 hours ago from Newsweek, and it reads, NATO jets intercepts Russian plane amending U.S. drones tension. And I'm going to span the news article. And it says, British and German fighter jets on Tuesday intercept a Russian aircraft flying close as NATO airspace. This was the same day the U.S. accused Russian fighter jets of downing an American drone over the Black Sea. It says the interception close to the Estonia airspace is the first British in airspace. Is the first time British and German Air Forces actually joined as part of their NATO air policy mission in the region. Continuing on with the reading, it says British and German fighter jets intercept a unresponsive Russian aircraft flying across the NATO airspace on Tuesday, the same day that the United States accusing Russian fighter jets of downing the American drone over the Black Sea. And it says the news agency from the BBC reports that the two Typhoon fire aircraft, one of the British 140 Receptionary Air Wing and the other from the German 71 Tactical Air Wing, were scrambled to intercept a Russian 178 minus refueling plane that was flying between St. Petersburg and the Kalograve Enclave, I meant to say, if I pronounced that right. It says Russians aircraft routinely fly amongst the edges of NATO airspace as the NATO aircraft around Russian frontier. Such fighters might be extending the renaissance testing reaction times or as the times apart of the routine transitions between times, or as the basis the Russian refueling aircraft failures to communicate with the traffic control between Estonia. According to the BBC, it says the interception was the first time British and German Air Forces acted jointly as part of the NATO air policy mission in the region, like it mentioned again. It says, continuing on with the reading, it says, following a successful visual identification escort, the pair of Typhoons were tasked to intercept a AN-148 airliner also passing the Estonia airspace. It says the British Defense Ministry said in a statement the interception, however, a routine NATO mission, was part of the Typhoons, which provide measures that the UK and Germany together and with other NATO allies attends with the Estonia ally at the first time of the tensions. It said there is no indicating that Tuesday's interception near Estonia airspace is linked to the incident over the Black Sea, but that's still part of a rumor of war, And I'm gonna bring that scripture out. 24 verse 6. And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that ye be not troubled, for all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet. Right, so that was a potential of a rumor of war, you know. Even if they said it might not have nothing in relations to the recent incident happened over there in the Black Sea with the downing of collision of the American drone, which the United States accused of Moscow or Russia of doing, near round along the Black Sea. And this is Matthew 24:7. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. So, you know, the rumors of wars are definitely heating up more and more and more in the latter days. As this recent news article came out, even though they say according to reports, it has no affiliated of a similarity what happened to Black Sea day before yesterday between the Russia and United States situation. As we see, this recent news article just came out 7 hours ago from Newsweek.com and from MSN.com as the state of NATO jet interceptions, Russian plane amending drone tensions. So, you know, this is a sign of increasing wars and rumors of wars, you know, in the last days. So with that, hopefully this outside lesson was edifying. I would like to give all praise and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem or Karkadash. Double honors to the elders for preaching this word truthfully and sincere. And shalom to the Akim, scattered the 4 corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next, I will say shalom.